Okay, on to problem number 4 here. So this is the C code below should wait for the up button on the joystick 1.23 to be pressed. Describe two problems with the code. So it's code that we saw in the labs, and we have this unsigned int FIO1 pin equals unsigned int 2009CO34. So the first problem that we have is that we should have a volatile here. Um, so we're looking for two problems. There are more than two for you to be able to find. But the first thing there is that we want to have a volatile, and that means that we're not going to be able to optimize away any of the stuff that's happening here. Because keep in mind that to the compiler, it sees us waiting on some memory address to change, and this is to it code that's running in serial, that nothing else is happening at the same time. And it would think, why is this going to change? This while loop will never exit, and so because this couldn't possibly change, nothing can possibly happen here, so we might as well just delete this code. So to make it work properly, we need that volatile so that when it runs this code, it is going to actually load it, and it's going to run it every single time. We're trying to check on bit 1.23, and you can see here that we've got an AND with the current value of FIO1 pin, and we're ANDing with 0 shifted by 23. And 0 shifted by 23 is just, all zeros moved right by 23, and that's going to give us all zeros. So it doesn't really matter how much we shift it by. 0 shifted is just 0 still. So we definitely want that to be a 1 instead, a 1 shifted by 23. And then that's going to allow us to look at just pin 1, or bit 1 of FIO1 pin. So that helps. That's one of the other issues. Now we want that bit to change to 0. So we want to wait while it is 1. And in this case, I think this actually is the correct loop. Maybe there are just two errors here. That we are, we're waiting on that 1 to change. We know that the pins are low active, so if we are waiting for up to be pressed, we are in fact waiting for that to become 0. No, that is the other problem. Yeah, that's right. And that is that we need to insert a not here. And we need to have this wrapped up in another set of parentheses to ensure that we are flipping this condition, because while it is 1, we want to continue waiting. We want to exit that loop whenever it becomes 0. So that's it for that one.